Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or change your workspace icon on Slack. So this is useful if you want to customize your workspace and make it look more professional or match your brand. So first, open Slack on your desktop or browser. Once you're inside your workspace, on the left side, scroll down to admin and tap on it. Now in here, tap on workspace settings. Now on the left side, scroll down and look for customize. Tap on it. And from here, tap on workspace icon. Now you'll see an option to upload a workspace icon. So click on upload icon or choose file. So choose your icon, then tap on it. Now once done, tap on upload icon. Next, you can crop the workspace icon just like that and then tap on crop icon. And that's it. Your new workspace icon will now appear in Slack. Everyone in your workspace will be able to see it. So take note that you need to be a workspace owner or admin to change the workspace icon. And if you don't see the option, you may need to ask an admin for access. So use a logo or clean design so your workspace looks more professional and easy to recognize. And that's it. That's how you can add or change your workspace icon on Slack. Thanks for watching.